Let me tell you about introduction in our assignment. Accounting is very important to the business or company. Accounting is a concept that refers to the basic assumption and rules, principle that based on recording of business transaction. It is important to the business. Besides that, accounting is an information system in the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating the economy in organization or in a business. In a modern day, accountants are very useful in many companies or company to check their data and start to uh, to to check to identify their starting business from starting business until now. But there is some small business or micro business that lacking a knowledge about the financial accounting. So we have this course are to
The
help
trial balance
the
for
micro
Pqah'S
business.
Kitchen as at 31st
Accountants are
October
very useful
2019
in
will be
companies
capital
to check their
credit
data from the start business until now.
69,550
And
ringgit,
some small
bank
business
debit
or micro
15,000
micro
ringgit,
business, they
purchases
are lacking
4,000
knowledge
ringgit debit,
about
petrol 440
useful or
ringgit debit,
important
Mr.
the
Lee
accounting.
2,000 ringgit
So
debit, 2,000 ringgit credit. Fee
so
repair rent
the
will be
so we are
540
doing
ringgit,
assignment
rowings
to
debit
do a
800
complete
ringgit,
record
wages and
and service
salaries
their transaction
3,900 ringgit
because
debit,
this is very important to
sales
the business.
16,000 credit,
The objective of the
provision
study
for
is that with the help
depreciation
from the
for the
students to
van
complete the
vehicle
book transaction for micro business
17,600 ringgit
and then
credit,
the course is also
water
to help the
470
student
ringgit
to do
debit,
recording.
electricity
It help to
150
student to
ringgit,
learn more about the
depreciation
complete
of
recording
van vehicle
and
550
it's very
ringgit
useful
debit, cash in hand
to
8,000 ringgit debit,
students know
AOMO
more about transaction and accounting.
1,200 ringgit credit, furniture 1,050 ringgit
For the
debit,
assignment, we have
van
chosen the
vehicle
micro business
66,000,
to make incomplete record.
canopy tent
This assignment
450
wants
ringgit
one
debit,
this
opening stock
assignment wants
3,000 ringgit
us
debit.
to
The
prepare a
two of
report
them
of
total
the
are
preparation of full set of
106,350
accounting
ringgit.
transaction
Is
in this
balance
business.
and thank you.
Other than that, to get the information, we have to conduct the interview with the owner of in this micro business. So we have met the business micro business in around of Tesco on 18 October 2019 around Tesco Kota Baru. That took 15 minutes by a Grab and make an interview with the owner. Background of this micro business. Pqah'S Kitchen is the name of our courses. It's a micro business and it's located around Tesco Kota Baru. The owner name Miss Afiqah, which is 31st years old, have credits in diploma in accounting in UITM Macang, Kelantan. She using the model from balance in PTPTN to start their business. And the beginner of business, she just work with her friends and now she already has 5 employees working their business. This business starting in 2012 and now her business improved day by day. It can see how it can see the owner Pqah'S Kitchen is very have a motivation, full of motivation and spirit to do their business be a success. She also opens her business in some events to add in their profit. For example, she attends the Thai event, sport event at university and even around the Kota Baru to promote their products and their business. Current business recording status. The business type that we chosen is a sole proprietor. The business type that we chosen is a sole proprietorship for our assignment. A sole proprietorship is known as the sole trader or individual entrepreneurship, which is owned and run by one person and there is no legal administration between the owner and the business entity. A sole proprietorship is referred to a person who owns the business and is personally responsible for its debts, and it's a very popular business. The business is progressing by one owner and hires some employees to help the business. Miss Afiqah wants to manage her business by herself to gain the profit by using this type of business. So it's very important and it's very useful to all people to starting their business by using the sole proprietorship types. This type of business is very hot and always people doing that. Since Miss Afiqah do not have a proper recording for her business transaction, her business prior profitability and financial management looks not clear. So we have to find out and make it clear, make it transactional, to make their book record be a complete record and have a clear data for their business to future.
Good morning, my name is BINTI. Today I'm going to present the transitions and journal of Pqah'S for 1 month, September. This is transition for 1 month. Through the interview, we know that the owner took up 8,000 from business bank account to become cash in hand. Besides, Pqah'S has sales almost every day except 8 days per month for resting. They have also some expenses in that month. For example, when petrol, salary and waste, payment of electricity and water bill. Furthermore, they have purchased for Tesco and ALIA. In that month, owner took 800 cash for personal use. Last but not least, they have debted Mr. Lee. Pqah'S haven't received payment from him. After the transition, now I'm going to present some example of journal. First, for recording take-up cash for business using from bank, we debit cash and credit bank. For cash sales, we debit cash and credit sales. Besides, for example journal of the patron expenses, we debit patron expenses and credit cash. Furthermore, for journal of record owner took cash for personal use, we debit drawings and credit cash. For journal of record sold goods to Mr. Lee on credit, we debit Mr. Lee and credit sales. Last, for recording purchase goods for cash, we debit purchase and credit cash. Thank you.
My name is Dominic, matrix number A19A0118, and now I would like to share with you about trial balance for Pqah'S kitchen. The trial balance for Pqah'S kitchen as at 31st October 2019 will be capital credit 69,550 ringgit, bank debit 15,000 ringgit, purchases 4,000 ringgit debit, petrol 440 ringgit debit, Mr. Lee 2,000 ringgit debit, 2,000 ringgit credit. Fee repair rent will be 540 ringgit, rowings debit 800 ringgit, wages and salaries 3,900 ringgit debit, sales 16,000 credit, provision for depreciation for the van vehicle 17,600 ringgit credit, water 470 ringgit debit, electricity 150 ringgit, depreciation of van vehicle 550 ringgit debit, cash in hand 8,000 ringgit debit, ALMO 1,200 ringgit credit, furniture 1,050 ringgit debit, van vehicle 66,000, canopy tent 450 ringgit debit, opening stock 3,000 ringgit debit. The two of them total are 106,350 ringgit.
Good morning, teacher and my friends. Today, I'm going to present statement of profit and loss of Pqah'S kitchen for September. The sales for 1 month for Pqah'S kitchen is 16,000, and the total cost of goods sold is 5,000, which is opening stock 3,000 plus purchases 4,000 and minus closing stock 2,000, and the gross profit is 11,000. And Pqah'S do some expenses, which is water bill, electricity bill, petrol, well repair fee, wages and salaries, and depreciation of wet vehicle. The wages and salary per employee is 650. Here we need to times 6 because she has six employees. And this 10% is the rate of depreciation of wet vehicle per annum. And we need to divide by 12 months because this profit and loss account we are just do for 1 month. And the net profit for Pqah'S Kitchen for September is 5,250. This is the total assets and liabilities for Pqah'S Kitchen. The total assets for Pqah'S Kitchen is 94,500. The total fixed assets for Pqah'S Kitchen is 67,500, which is furnitures, van vehicle, and canopy tents. The furnitures is tables and chairs for Pqah to put the food and beverage she wants to sell. And the canopy tent need to times 3 because she has 3 canopy tents. And this is the total current asset of Pqah'S Kitchen, which is cash in hand, closing stock, debtors, which is mystery, cash in bank. And the total liability, which is current liability, and the ongoing liability for Pqah'S Kitchen, which is ALIA. And the liability is 1,200. ALIA is the liability for Pqah'S Kitchen because Pqah'S have purchased an ALIA and haven't do any payment. Thank you.
Hi, my name is NAVINRAJ. My metric number is A19B0397. Okay. The action to be taken by the group to guide and help the business to improve systematic record of systematic. There are a total of 4 actions to be taken. First of all is ledger. Ledger is a book of containing accounts in which is classified and summarized information from the journal and posted as debit and credit. Ledger is also known as second book of entry. Ledger contains assets, liabilities, account equity, revenue, and expenses. Next, for the trial balance. Trial balance is the list of closing balances of ledger accounts on a certain date and is the first towards the preparation of financial statement. The purposes of doing trial balance is to ensure that every debit and credit is recorded. Pqah'S Kitchen should prepare a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of the reporting period, to ensure that entries in company bookkeeping systematically are mathematically correct. The third action is profit and loss. Profit and loss is commonly known as income statement. The income statement, like the cash flow statement, shows changes in accounts over a set period of time. Profit and loss statement will show and help us to identify whether the company can make profit or loss. The last action to be taken is balance sheet. Balance sheet is also known as the financial position. The balance sheet presents a company financial position at the end of specific date, consists of company asset, liabilities, on equity. Besides, it is also used for a great deal of financial analysis of a business performance. Next, we go for the importance of accounting to micro business and activities. The first important is it helps to plan strategies, save money for expansion plans and capital expenditure. This will improve our business to help the entrepreneur to feel progressively sure and less focused on. Next, manage and monitor the cash flow. Pqah'S Kitchen can evaluate the monetary execution. For example, the asset report and income expression show money related data is critical in the equation of your business. The last important is it helps its future growth. Accounting helps the micro business to see portfolio of the business. It also measures and summarizes the activities of the company which lead growth of the company. Alright, next, these are the suggestions to micro business to have a systematic accounting of business. The first suggestion is good record keeping. Bookkeeping is defined as the art of recording business transaction in books. Bookkeeping has 2 types of two types. First one is single entry and double entry system. For the micro business, they use the double entry system. It is because double entry system provide a general statement of cash flow, balance sheet, and more detailed income statements. Next, keep your personal and business bank accounts separated. Separate accounts will give you clarity over deductible costs and business costs. Besides keeping a business individual account, separate its important abstain of confiding exchanges. Next, avoid paying expenses or bills in cash wherever possible. Other than legal measure of travel money, it's best not to utilize for your business expenses. Cost paid in real money can be hard to follow, and electronic money order which received too slow. In conclusion, we have learned on how to prepare a systematic recording for Pqah'S kitchen business transition. Firstly, we learned how to prepare a trial balance for the company. Secondly, we also learned how to find a prepare profit and loss account statement. Furthermore, we also gained knowledge about the asset and liability. Pqah'S kitchen has only one liability because most of its purchases were paid by cash. Finally, the booth has earned a net profit or an RM 16,000. This booth can do a few improvisation to gain profit in the upcoming months. Thank you.